Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add emojis in Google Sheets. So first of all I want to make sure that it doesn't matter if you are adding emojis from Canva or from the Google Sheets itself because it's the same thing. So let's go on Google Sheets. So the first way is you have to type at the rate and you can see here emoji. Now click on it and you can add the desired emoji you want to add. For example, I'm adding this one. Now, the second way is press window plus dot, as you can see. I can add emojis. For example, I'm adding this one. So there are two methods. First one is by typing at the rate and second one is by pressing window plus alt key. So that's it for the video. If it helped you, please consider a like and subscribing the channel.